Picture of
I like it. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
They took my
Nice.
my picture of
I like it. You have dual runs on these 2Ks too.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you know what the box is tuned to?
It's at 40-45.
Okay. Did you ever get it metered?
No.
No?
No, I never get it metered.
Oh, no. These,
ZVX.
okay. Yep. All right.
So
Nice. Do you have any batteries hidden anywhere?
So I have AGM batteries.
Okay.
But they're down here.
Okay.
You can't see them.
You can't see them? They're underneath the box? Okay.
I'm switching out
Yep.
AGM to lithium.
Okay. Are you stock alternator?
Yeah, but my alternator is 230.
Okay.
That's what comes inside the 4.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
comes inside the 4 pounds.
Yes, sir. Can I get a demo?
I'll turn it on, but put a demo in there. Really, I gotta cut up my So I have this small bank of lithium.
Okay. Oh, wow. How much lithium is that?
Those are the 18. I think they're like 30 something
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Those are 18 amp hours.
Wow, you really like music too. Those are screaming, aren't they? Yeah. Sound quality. Now I see where you're coming from. Okay.
Yeah. So
All right.
I could give you a demo with the without the lithium on there. So
Okay.
you can hear it.
Yeah. Sure. What was your name?
Trey.
Trey. All right.
Call me Trey.
Who built the box?
I did.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you know the specs on it? Like how big cubic wise you went for?
I don't quite remember, to be honest.
So, but it's 215s, right?
Yeah, it's 215.
Yep.
Where's the sun I'm looking for?
distortion.
No.
It is solid, man. And did you tune this too and everything?
Yeah.
That sounds,
I put all of this.
man, it sounds really good. Like you can
Yeah.
tell it doesn't miss any notes from like
No.
30 hertz all the way up to probably 20K hertz.
No, you don't miss
That sounds really good. I see where you come from for sound quality.
But I don't have the power. The AGMs are not keeping up.
They can't keep up with
No, so that's why I'm changing out the lithium.
Yeah.
So
Does it do, just curious, have you ever tested just bass, no speakers? Can you tell a difference?
yeah.
Since the load of all of the...
Yeah, it get louder.
It does? Okay.
Yeah, it get way louder.
Way louder?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it don't focus all the power to the mid-range amplifiers and all that.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, it get louder.
Okay.
And
Awesome.
I may sit at 14.3 right now, but when the bass hit, the
Yeah.
AGM just not keeping up.
Yep. Got it.
Yeah, that's
Awesome.
my build for right now until I
Okay.
do my 415s.
Yes, sir. Is there anywhere I can see some subflex?
Yeah, I could do that.
Play something, you know, to open the back up, get a little subflex action, if that's all right?
Yeah, I could do that.
Sweet. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.